Hey guys, John from OurHomeFromScratch.com here, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our basement before we start remodeling it. So I'll give you a walkthrough as soon as you enter the basement. I'm going to close the door behind me. We get a little walkway here. One of the challenges of this basement has been like you have this sharp turn and then it walks down, and so that's kind of like where I throw my junk and where we keep our day-to-day like home improvement stuff. We're doing stuff upstairs. The downstairs is just a nightmare right now. So we have a little switch on the wall. When you come in, you can see our like mechanical services area. That corner's been roughed in for a bathroom. So, and I've got all this plastic insulation on the wall. So when you walk in over here, you'll have a door here. So we already laid this out. There'll be a bathroom this way, and then you'll turn here, and then there'll be a hallway here. We'll have storage under the steps for whatever, I guess. Again, the mechanical room. So this is the furnace, and then looking back that way. So all that insulation is coming off the wall. I'm going with a foam board. When you walk into here, if you look to your right, there's this space. I have some lighting and stuff set up. There's our egress door that we had put in last spring. And over to our left is like where my workshop stuff is. So I have plastic over everything because I'm pulling the insulation out of the walls because I want to go with a hardboard, like a foam board. So if you look this way, we're going to have that'll be my workshop. So there'll be a wall across here. And then this space and this space will all be open. All right. And this will be like a common area. We'll have a TV room set up in here, maybe putting something for the kids over here to play with, like a little playroom. There's not a ton of natural lighting. We've got a couple windows here, and again, the egress we just put in. It's noticeably colder down here now that most of the insulation's off the walls. I wanted to use a foam board insulation because it acts as both a moisture barrier and it's easier to, I think it's easier to frame against. And then there's our egress window. And if you look out, it's a very cold day in January with a lot of snow. It's about 5 degrees outside, so it's mostly cold because of that. I'm going to have to move this door back in once it's framed, so the inside of the door will be flush with the interior. And I got to finish pulling the insulation off. And then over here, this room will have a wall, so that framing will continue all the way over to here. And I've got this is where I just throw my scrap board. So this basement right now is just junk overflow. A couple of cabinets we built in the Cabinets from Scratch course. And so this whole room here from this wall back will be all, Lisa wants a storage room. So we'll probably put like a chest freezer down here. We'll move this stuff out of the room and have a nice little storage room. So that's the quick tour of the basement. We're going to be starting work on it in a couple weeks here. I just got notification that the permits are ready to be picked up from the township, so I'll be picking them up this week. And then laying out the lines on the floor for the rooms. We'll be doing a pressure-treated board as the sill against the concrete. We'll ram set that in, and then we'll frame up our walls. We'll do insulation first, obviously, and then we'll do electrical, plumbing, and all that stuff. So this is going to be a really fun series. We're going to be doing videos on a regular basis as we progress here. So if you have any questions about what we're doing, or if there's something that you want to see, you can leave a comment below, and so stay tuned.